So hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be doing my new system that arrived way before Christmas. I showed it briefly on Instagram, so I was really quite chuffed with it, but they've done a beautiful job, our factory, of bleaching the knots. I mean, look at that. That is going to be an absolute masterpiece once it goes on. This time I've gone for the base colour as usual around the back and side perimeters to match in with my own bio colour hair. And then for the highlights, I usually have the highlights going all the way through, right through to the crown. But this time I've just asked them to put highlights in the front section. So it's going to be more sort of my own brown hair on top on display once it's all cut in. So let's get the trim off and start cutting. Right, so let's get chopping. Okay, so that's it dried and styled a bit. We're using a bit of the Tresemme conditioner. So yeah, I think that's quite, it's going to look quite funky when it goes on. I've got the first kind of 1/4 inch, well 3/4 inch of the root is obviously my base colour. So these highlights are only really just on the very tips. So it gives that illusion that it's kind of, that I've had the highlights done a while ago, and that you know, this is them growing out kind of thing, you know. So but yeah, just at the front there, I can just tilt it down. That's going to look kind of quite good, hopefully, when it's on. But yeah, very good. Right guys, so battery is back and charged up. It's actually been, since I did that mannequin cut was Saturday, I did attach the system, then my battery died, which was really annoying. But rather than just film it, you know, immediately after it's on my head, I thought it might be nice actually to take advantage of the fact of leaving it a few days, letting the hair settle down a little bit, because new hair systems, they do need a few days to a week to settle down, even at this sort of light density. So now it's had a bit of a chance to settle down. I've actually just washed it as well and dried it for the first time, so you can see the fade around the back and sides is all settled down as well now, and the way it blends into my own hair. The system perimeters, yeah, it's looking all kind of nice. It's starting to grow out a little bit, but like I said, that was 4 days ago. But yeah, this system with just the blonde at the front, yeah, I think it's I'm quite pleased with it. You know, it's settled down really nice now. The length's good, hairline's great. So yeah, hopefully it lasts another 6 or 8 months. So, how to cook the perfect fried egg using just a microwave. So, Get yourself a plastic plate with a knob of butter. Give it 20 seconds in the microwave till it's all nice and melted. Then crack on a lovely egg in the bowl, like so. Give it a maximum of 40 seconds. Perfect. It's true, you really can survive using just a microwave. Look at that. Perfect, perfect fried egg. Should be a nice runny yolk. Slice of bread. Chuck it on top. And don't forget a little bit of cheese. Absolutely delicious. Lovely way to start the day.